Yes, student, this is the most important property again of d block element, that they shows the electrical conductivity. Like for the electrical conduction, we are generally using what? We are using copper. Okay, the best conductor is silver and gold. So why do we are using such materials? This is because they are good conductor of electricity. Now, in metal, in metal, the electrical conductivity is due to what? Free electrons. Free electrons. So being the electrons free and the electric field is applied, the electron can move very fast. This is the reason of electrical conductivity. Now student, you know that in D block metal, a metallic bond is present. It is this metallic bond. Now what is the metallic bond? Okay. It is formed between what? Kernel. What is kernel? This is what? Positive charge part form after removal of valence electron. Okay, so it is formed between kernel and what? Moving electron. So already electrons, okay, are moved in the sea of kernel. So there is large movement already present in the electron, and therefore when the electric field is applied, they move very fast, and thus they use as electrical used for electrical conductivity. Student, one more important property is there, which is called alloys formation. Okay, you know the alloy. Okay, what? Bronze, brass. Getting? And can you tell me beryllium, magnesium? Okay, like nichrome. Okay, like gold jewelries. Gold jewelries are actually what? Alloys. They are alloys of what? Copper and what? Gold. Some quantity of copper is getting added during the formation or preparation of what? Gold jewelry. So what is the reason of formation of alloy? The reasons are what? D block elements size are almost same or almost similar. That is, there is no large differences in their atomic sizes. This is again very important property. Okay, thus atoms of two or more elements can accommodate and what? Exchange. Accommodate as well as what? Exchange. Like here, if we talk about copper and zinc, their atomic size are almost same. So if the atomic size are same, like here, suppose this is what? Copper, the size of copper, and earlier it was the crystal of copper. But if we have to replace it by zinc, then what? The size of zinc is also same. Okay, atomic size almost same. So when these two are added, then what? The copper atom, okay, can be replaced by zinc atom. because their size are almost same, and in crystal they can also accommodate very easily, and therefore they can form what? Alloys. Student, alloys plays very important role. This you have already studied in your lower classes. It is not asked what are the role of catalyst. Here we are asking what are the reason of that the d block element are able to form alloys. So the most important is what? Having the comparable size. Therefore the atom can exchange their position. Okay, and thus we can mix the two element, the atoms of two element in particular proportion. Remember, not always in 50-50 proportion, but in a particular proportion only. Like here, if you have to prepare gold jewelry, so we cannot do that the large number of copper will be added to the gold. Okay, because what? Now it will give its own properties. There will be unable to accommodate very easily, and therefore it will show very different property as compared to the gold. Very important thing is what? There must be maintaining a particular proportion. Okay, like the copper and zinc can form different type of alloys. Okay, copper and tin, SN, it also form different type of alloys. Stainless steel, it is also alloy of iron and some impurities of carbon.